What do we do? What is an appraisal? An appraisal is a description, it is authentication and evaluation of what you own or a recent purchase. You come to us because you want to have peace of mind. And as a jewelry judge appraiser, we can give you that peace of mind, that you can sleep at night and know that you made a good purchase, you paid the right price, and it is authentic to what the seller told you. So at the jewelry judge, we do it while you watch and wait. When you bring in the piece of jewelry, you sit with me and we go through the process of describing it, authenticating it, and photographing it and giving you the report before you leave. Whether we send you a PDF copy or we give you a hard copy, all depends on your needs. So if you're going to buy a piece of jewelry, get a second opinion. Trust the seller, but verify your purchase. See the jewelry judge, Ben Gordon.